Welcome back. In a tragic incident, Vishal Gauss Desai, aged 22 from Damal Shelde, died in a truck accident. The accident occurred at Mirabag in Kurchuri on Tuesday.
The accident occurred when he lost control over the mining truck that he was driving from Kurchade. The truck fell into a river after hitting a retaining wall of a bridge. The body of deceased was removed with the help of victim location unit from Fire Brigade headquarters with search cameras. Fire Station Officer of Kurchare, Herculano Gil Souza, gave us more details.
Headquarters on victim location unit search camera घेऊन ते आले त्यांना आम्ही पनेल घेऊन ते बॉडी नोईज डिटेक्ट केली ती आमकां दिसली त्यांना आम्ही अराउंड 2 o'clock ते आमी लोकांक हेल्प घेऊन घेतले आणि ती बॉडी वयर काडली फिशिंग हूक घेऊन वयर काडली आणि त्यांच्या ताब्यात केली पुलिसांक लागीं दिली.
Our reporter from Kurchare, Mayur Naik.
Jatra of Shri Balikarin started on Tuesday at Fatorpa. The main attraction of this Jatra was the newly bought Vijay Rath, in which the procession of goddess was carried.
On Wednesday morning, all the married women along with young girls were seen with traditional lamps, Divza. These women took pradakshinaas around the temple with Divzas praying for health and prosperity of their village and family. Our reporter from Bari, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Vasco Sports Club and Kunkoli Union are in a neck-and-neck tussle in Goa Football Association's Women's League competition. Both teams are tied on 10 points each at the end of the first leg. The second leg of the competition starts on April 2.
Vasco have the edge over Kunkoli Union with a superior goal difference. Otherwise, both the teams have an identical record of 3 wins and a draw after the 4 games in the first stage of the competition. Sporting Club de Goa, Naveli Villagers Union and Petrong Sports Club are the other teams in the league. Sporting Club and Naveli have 4 points each from 1 win, 1 draw and 2 defeats. Patrong are yet to open their account, having lost all their 4 games. The second leg will open with leaders Vasco locking horns with Naveli Villages Union on April 2 at Tilak Stadium. On the same day, Kunkoli Union take on Sporting Club de Goa at Kunkoli ground. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Are the casinos functioning even after closure order? Visuals of Wednesday night indicate towards partial functioning of casinos. All India Football Federation decides to scrap all plans to set up football academy in Goa. Decision comes after delay in handing over the land to Federation, a Prudent Media exclusive. Manohar Parrikar challenges Digambar Kamath government to prove his involvement allowing casinos in Goa. This challenge comes from Parrikar after CM statement that government in 2001 allowed casinos in the state. Cabinet approves draft bill of the land acquisition ordinance. Khalap defends the ordinance, says it is done in public interest. And Vasco Sports Club and Kunkoli Union chasing glory in GFA Women's League. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.